for me to just deal with normalcy was very tough because I was
Yeah.
so used to being Kizzy for such a long time. And before that, I was used to being a child of Delhi University. I didn't know who Sanjana is in the middle of all of this.
So, hello everyone. Welcome to Midday. I'm Parul Sharma, and today we have with us the woman who's the talk of the town. Her debut film has beaten countless records and garnered immense praise. Hi, Sanjana. Welcome to Midday.
Hi, Parul. Thanks for having me.
I'd like to start off by congratulating you. Dil Bechara has pretty much surpassed everyone's wildest expectations. So, how does that feel?
It's unreal, to be honest. The fact is, though, that I got far more overwhelmed when I watched the film than I had imagined, because I watched it for the first time at 7:30 p.m. on 24th July with the rest of the world. I hadn't seen my own film. So I was left really, really sort of jolted after it. So I've taken 3 days to take it all in and get myself together before I'm able to have these interactions. But finally, to see that art is doing what it's meant to do, which is save lives and spread happiness, I'm so happy that Dil Bechara is doing that.
Absolutely. And how does it feel to become almost this like overnight star whose name everybody knows and getting the love that you're getting, honestly?
It feels like one giant warm hug after a long time of feeling like you wanted a hug and nobody was ready to give it to you. And there's this, as an artist, there's this lapse between when we create what we create. Like, for example, I finished filming for Dil Bechara a year ago almost. And to keep, you've created something special and you've created something that people will be touched by, but you have to keep it within yourself for a long,
Yeah.
long time. I'm just really happy that it's finally out there and people are making Kizzy and Manny their own.
Right.
There's comics, there are caricatures, there's fan art, there's fan emails, and it's just really sweet to see people
Yeah.
interact with a film like that.
Actually, taking off from there, when a film is delayed so much and it's faced so much controversy and then extreme tragedy, we as the audience ourselves felt super overwhelmed and we felt like a whole wheelhouse of emotions, right? How does Sanjana, the artist who's actually the lead in the film, and Sanjana, the girl who's kind of getting launched, feel at such a time?
Honestly, like you end up feeling numb because the excitement and the joy of debuting and your baby, so to say, coming out for the world to see is the paramount kind of overwhelming joy. And then
Yeah.
a tragedy of this kind is the worst thing. So it's just, instead of being able to feel these extreme things, you just, I found myself like hung in midair.
Yeah.
I wonder if, like, a couple of months down the line, when I look back, will I be able to make sense of it a little more or not? But
Yeah.
luckily, like, right now, bringing this film to people in the way that it deserves, trying to shoulder that responsibility just between Mukesh and me, one has just been completely sort of occupied in doing that. And I'm glad that it's reached the people in the way that we had hoped for it to.
I think it's safe to say, as a debutant, you have pretty much gone through the most unique journey that one can have before getting launched. You have seen the lowest of lows and the highest of highs. And, after Sushant's passing, there's been a huge spotlight on the topic of mental health. So, what has this journey been like in terms of your own mental health and the emotions that this has made you feel? Because I think it's sort of important to address the other half of this equation who's kind of living this reality, which is you.
The thing is that one is that playing Kizzy, and now that we've all seen the film, we can see what kind of an emotional journey it is, and one can imagine that for an actor to get into the skin of a character like that, it
Yeah,
takes a toll, both psychologically, mentally, physically even.
absolutely.
And so getting into her skin first took all of that effort, and then once you're in this place where it becomes difficult to come out. so
Yeah.
so when I stopped filming, the next 4 5 months for me to just deal with normalcy was very tough because I was
Yeah.
so used to being Kizzy for such a long time. And before that, I was used to being a child of Delhi University, a student.
Yeah.
So I didn't know who Sanjana is in the middle of all of this. So finding an adult version of me has been a challenge in that sense. It's come
Yeah.
with its own these things, but then to be thrown into these grand sort of events, some fortunate, some extremely unfortunate, have
Yeah.
I think made me grow up way beyond my years, because basically your gut tells you to cave in and just hide yourself from the world, but then you've
Yeah.
been brought up in a way that you have to do better. So been brought up to be resilient and to know your path. I'm here to tell stories. I'm here to play many more characters like Kizzy, and I have to just keep reminding myself of that, and that everything else is noise at the end of the day, you know.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.